Let's talk about narcissists, sociopaths, and clones. What do they have to do with each other? In my work and findings, I have found that narcissists and sociopaths are 100% cloned beings. 70% of them on average do not have a soul. Clones were created from organic humans to be an empty vessel that could easily be controlled. People in power and influence are the most likely to be targeted, and this is part of the transhumanist agenda. They may look very similar to their original form, but they also have some discrepancy. So if you pay very close attention, you may notice shifts and changes in the way of their appearance. The physical vessel of a clone usually lasts about 2 to 3 years, and then they need a refresh or a new model. They can have souls or entities come and go. They were created as open source products, and they have been around for a very long time. There has been a lot of work done on the clones recently because I found that about 30% of who we think are humans are actually cloned beings. And in this work that has been done on them in the last couple days, they have been restored to the organic human form with their original souls. So they are no longer able to be used as these open source products to push specific agendas. If you've seen people at different rallies and, disruptive events who seem mindless, soulless, and you ask how could they possibly do what they're doing, there's a good chance that they were cloned beings who did not have a soul, or if it was a soul, it was a dark soul who was being controlled by an outside source. So all of the cloned beings should now be in what we would consider maybe 3 to 4 dimensional beings, and they can choose to raise their vibration. They have been restored. They have every opportunity that you and I have to redeem and restore themselves. So I hope that you found this info on clones helpful. If you know of anyone who is a clone, or if you had experiences with this, please share. I'd love to know more. A lot of celebrities, a lot of politicians, a lot of people in high places that we see in governments, etc., were these types of beings. And you may have seen some shape-shifting happening with their eyes, with their skin, different, weird things. And so some of those were clones. Some of them also could have been walk-ins where they had a different type of soul, like from a reptilian or something who had a dark agenda for humanity, although not all of them did. So thanks for tuning in. Share if you found this helpful, and I'd love to hear your feedback and your experience with clones or narcissists or sociopaths.